Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the start of the weekday in your calendar on Reclaim AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to the calendar on Reclaim AI, and here at the top you will see that gear icon. Click into it, indicating or showing you the current start of the weekday, which is Sunday. If you'd like to change that, guys, head over to your profile icon in the top right and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside your settings, navigate to scheduling here, and in your scheduling settings, click into that pencil icon next to start of the week and switch from the current one, which is Sunday, to, let's say in Europe, we start the week usually on Monday on calendars. So click into it, and after that, as you can see, that's it. So you may navigate back to your calendar, refresh the page if necessary, and you will see the new start of the day here and also shown on your calendar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.